In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create landing page in Constant Contact. Start from your Constant Contact dashboard. In the main navigation, click Channels, and then select Landing Pages. This is the area where you can create and manage pages that you can share in emails, on social media, or anywhere you need a focused link. On the Landing Pages screen, click the button that says Plus Create a Landing Page. Constant Contact will then ask you to choose the type of landing page you want to build. A sign-up landing page is best when your main goal is collecting new contacts, like email addresses or SMS signups, and saving them directly into your lists. A custom landing page is more flexible and works well for promoting a product, highlighting an event, embedding a video, or creating a simple link in bio style page for social profiles. After you choose your page type, you will pick a template. You can select a pre-designed template that already matches your goal, or choose a blank template if you prefer to build the layout from scratch. Templates can save time, so pick one that is close to the structure you want. Next, give your landing page a clear internal name. Look in the top left corner and click the pencil icon or the current name. This name helps you stay organized inside Constant Contact, especially if you create multiple pages for different promotions. Now you will design and customize your page using the drag and drop editor, which feels similar to the email builder. From the left-hand toolbar, drag in blocks like images, text, buttons, or videos and place them into your layout. Keep your content focused and easy to scan. Use short headings, clear button text, and only the most important details. To match your branding, open the Design tab and adjust your global colors, fonts, and background graphics. If you are building a custom page and you need to collect visitor information, drag in a form block and set it up to capture the details you need. When your design is ready, click Continue to finalize the settings. Add your page title and description, since these can appear in browser tabs and search results. Customize the end of the URL so it is clear and recognizable. If the page is tied to a limited time promotion, you can set an optional expiration date to automatically hide it later. For performance tracking, add a Google Tracking ID or a Metapixel if you use them. Finally, click Activate to publish the page. Constant Contact will provide a shareable link that you can use in emails or on social media. That covers everything you need to know.